Hello guys, this is Ninja God Ivan, and today we're going to be talking about the differences between using a script and using a local script. So when can we use a script and when can we use a local script? So basically, let's talk about what a script does. So the script performs of functionalities on the server side, whereas a local script fu- function the local script performs functionalities on the client side. So let me go and insert a script inside server scripts service, and then let me go and insert a local script inside here. So just keep in mind that the local script only runs on starter GUIs, starter pack, starter player, and replicate it first. Okay, so it will not. Yeah, yeah. I don't think that it will run on the workspace because the workspace is basically on the server side. So let's go and press run. So if you press run, as you can see, um, it prints hello world, right? So basically green represents the server side. So, but how come it doesn't print this one? Because there are no players here. Because, yeah, because there are no players here. When you press run, it only runs the server. So you're only going to see one hello world, right? But if we press play, right, now you see two hello worlds. Why? Because right now you're on the client side. Okay, so if you if you're here, you're basically on the client side, and if you were to switch it to server, it would look something like this. Okay, so you can move around here. You can just check how it goes, and you can switch on the client side, which is basically you as the player. Okay, now let's go more in depth. Okay, so I want to talk to you guys how how the scripts can how the server interacts with the client, right? So basically, the client gets what the server has, right? But at the client side, if you were to update any values or something, the server's not going to get it. So let me go give you an example. So let me go and add in, let's say, let's go add in an integer value. Okay. So let me go call this. Even let me go call this something else so it's not confusing. So we'll just call this num. Okay. Num as a number. Then I'm gonna leave it at 0. Okay. So if we go here, okay, let me go and create a variable for this. So we'll just say number equals game.workspace. Maybe say find first child, or you can use wait for child, but I don't think you need to do that. So we can go look for num, so which is right here, and then we can go and change its value. So num.value, let's say we're gonna change this to 100, right? So, oh, hold on. Oh, yeah, my bad. Okay. So if we press play, and then let's go take a look at the Explorer. Okay. Let me go on the server side first, so I can explain this easily. So as you can see, I run this on this. Just remember that I run this on the server, right? So if you take a look here, you see that the value's changed to 100. If you take a look at the client side, it gets 102, right? So what's going to happen if we run it on the local script? Okay. So I I'm not sure. Let me try to do this on the works. Let me try copy and paste this. So because I'm not sure if the local script has access to the workspace. So let me go and try this. Okay, then let me go and move this. Okay, so let's say that I run this in the local script. Okay, so let me go and play this. All right, so if you look here, you see that the value is 100, right? But if you go to the server side. So on the server side is 0. Okay. The reason why is because, like I said earlier, whenever the client create any changes on the workspace or anything, any objects or data values or whatever, the server is not gonna get it, right? So how it works is that whatever the server changes, the clients, all the clients that are inside the server will also get the change too. So you will not see the change if you're on the server because I did it on the local script instead. Okay. So if you switch back to clients, so now you see it's 100. Okay. So maybe if you were to make any games, right, but then you maybe say for instance that you want to change the, maybe change the daytime to nighttime. Maybe you only want to change it on your side, but then on for everybody it's on daytime, right? So if you were to make a button and then you say switch to nighttime, then the sky will switch to nighttime. If you were to run this on a local script, it will not affect everybody, right? So if you were to make a button, which I will be making a video on later on, then maybe it'll switch to maybe nighttime if you were to make like a daytime button, right, whatever, right? All right, so this concludes the tutorial on the script and the local script. Okay, so if you have any questions, or if you guys want to ask questions like when can you use a local script, when can you use a script, then you may want to comment down below. All right, so all right. So usually, oh yeah, let me talk to you. Let me explain about the local scripts, right? So basically, I would use local scripts whenever I make UI buttons, right? Because every person, maybe they want to press something, and then you don't want it to affect. You don't want the server to do something with it. Usually when I use buttons, I would create local scripts inside of them because I, yeah, because I think it's just how it works, but yeah. All right. So if you guys have any questions, then you may want to comment down below. All right. So I'll see you guys later. Peace.